Watching beautiful scenery as you drive, capturing epic moments for Instagram, and dreaming of endless adventures in your home on wheels may be all you wanted as a road explorer. But that dream can quickly turn into a rolling nightmare if you pick the wrong RV. Instead of making memories, you could end up stuck on the side of the road dealing with leaks, mechanical failures, or endless repair bills. To save you from this fate, today we're diving into a list of the worst RV brands. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. First up is Coleman. Coleman is a well-known name in the world of outdoor recreation. It's the go-to brand when it comes to camping gear and outdoor equipment. However, when it comes to RVs, the brand's reputation isn't as strong. It's fair to say that they were better off sticking to what they knew how to do best. The RV is produced under the Dutchman manufacturing umbrella. It targets entry-level buyers who want to buy affordable travel trailers and campers. Coleman RVs are marketed as budget-friendly options for first-time RV buyers. What this often meant by implication was that corners were cut in materials and craftsmanship. Owners frequently reported problems with thin, easily damaged walls, cheap cabinetry, and flooring that didn't hold up under regular use. Though the lower price tag may be appealing, the cost of repairs can quickly offset any initial savings. This makes most buyers wish they had just gone for the more expensive but better option. Coleman RVs are designed for occasional use, not long-term or full-time travel. Many owners discover that their units wear out quickly under regular use, with components like furniture, flooring, and fixtures breaking down much sooner than expected. For those planning extended trips, this lack of durability can be a major disappointment. Customer service is another weak point for Coleman RVs. Many buyers report slow responses, unhelpful representatives, and challenges with getting warranty claims approved. This lack of support can make resolving issues a stressful and time-consuming process. When talking about the RV industry, you can't go without a mention of Forest River, which at first sounds very comforting for the RV buyer. But beware of the big name. Forest River has just been and still is receiving some serious hits for some justifiable reasons. The biggest complaint concerning Forest River RVs has to do with construction. The units are subpar in quality. Many have shared that they have loose cabinet doors, poor sealing around windows, and misalignment of components straight from the factory. Faulty electrical systems such as plumbing leaks and malfunctioning slides have been reported. Imagine a camp set, then suddenly finding out your slide out is stuck halfway or worse yet, pooling water under the RV. Many buyers complain about a lack of accountability and unwillingness by the customer service to honor warranty claims. If it were just a few minor issues, it would be okay because in a perfect world, things get taken care of at the manufacturer level. However, when that doesn't happen, it's a deal breaker. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos like this. Next up is Jayco, a well-known name in the RV industry. It's often promoted as a family-friendly and dependable brand with a rich history. However, while they once had a strong reputation, recent years have seen a noticeable decline in quality. This has left many RV enthusiasts feeling frustrated and let down. Jayco used to be a benchmark for quality craftsmanship, but now many owners report issues such as poorly constructed interiors, uneven floors, and materials that don't stand the test of time. Complaints range from cabinets coming loose during travel to slide-outs that are squeaky and uneven, indicating that Jayco's quality control may have diminished. One of the main attractions of Jayco RVs is their advertised 2-year limited warranty, which appears generous compared to the 1-year warranties offered by many competitors. However, reality often tells a different story. Numerous buyers have recounted experiences where Jayco did not honor their warranty or took a long amount of time to complete repairs. This leaves owners to cover the cost of factory defects. Next up is Keystone. One of the biggest companies in the RV market, Keystone boasts a wide range of models, which are offered in diverse price categories. Whether you're new to the world of RVing or you want to level up your game, Keystone has your back, at least according to the company itself. One of the major drawbacks of the majority of Keystone RVs is lack of attention to detail. At one point, the company shipped out RVs whose defects could be clearly observed, such as doors that didn't line up correctly, slide-outs that don't function, and windows with improper sealing. You may find yourself needing to invest a large amount in repairs in the future. A frequent challenge RVers face on Keystone products is water damage. Weak sealant materials and badly installed windows and doors often become the reason for leaks. Too often, water seeping into the RV not only contributes to the destruction of the interior, but can mold and rot as well. Owners of their RVs agree that their affordability is bought at a price. For first-time RV owners, the cheapness of price is an appeal, but they don't take into account that later on the maintenance cost will be high and their savings will be short-term and insignificant. Next up is Vanlay RV. It's a relatively new brand in the RV industry which boasts luxury fifth wheels and is a subdivision of Tiffin Motorhomes with an excellent reputation. At first sight, Vanlay may seem like an exciting choice, claiming all the top features and the best of designs. Nonetheless, the brand has a lot of trouble proving that it can keep to the high standards and dependability that an RV customer wants. Thus, it's added to our list of brands to stay away from. Vanlay is a brand that mainly advertises its models as the creme de la creme when it comes to luxury fifth wheels. However, the majority of owners felt that this wasn't the case. The features that are impressive on paper, such as spacious layouts and upgraded materials, are usually not carried out well in practice. Thus, the buyers feel they're being misled. For a brand that boasts luxury accessories, Vanlay RVs often don't follow through with the promise of quality construction. A high percentage of owners claim to have witnessed defective interiors, wobbly cabinetry, and insufficient finishes that don't hold up to the normal use and tear. The materials used, though visibly attractive, are often lacking in sturdiness, which is the main reason why they tear or wear out quickly. In addition, Vanlay models are often seen grappling with mechanical problems such as failing slide-outs, electrical system interruptions, and improper functioning appliances. While Vanlay was initially thought of as a high-quality brand because of its affiliation with Tiffin Motorhomes, buyers are getting a bit more cautious now concerning its warranty and customer service. Indeed, lots of RV buyers have been paying extra money for these major issues and maintenance costs to get their vans back into good condition. Heartland is a well-known RV manufacturer offering various models, from affordable travel trailers to luxury fifth wheels. While their products often come packed with appealing features and stylish interiors, many buyers quickly discover that Heartland's offerings don't hold up under regular use. Heartland's marketing often highlights luxury features and top-tier craftsmanship, but many buyers feel the reality doesn't match the promises. Although we can say that the interiors look impressive at first glance, when you take a much closer look, you realize that they often lack the durability and functionality you'd expect for the price. This mismatch between expectation and reality is a major disappointment for many owners. From day one, many buyers notice small but frustrating defects like peeling wallpaper, loose screws, or gaps in the ceiling. Over time, these minor annoyances often snowball into significant problems. Heartland's RVs are plagued by mechanical issues that can make ownership frustrating and expensive. Heartland might catch your eye with their stylish designs and competitive pricing, but the hidden costs of repairs, warranty hassles, and ongoing frustrations can make them a poor investment. It's not uncommon to hear about owners paying crazy amounts of money for repairs that should have been covered under warranty. The brand offers warranties, but they often fail to meet customer expectations. Repairs under warranty can take weeks or even months to complete, and the process is often riddled with red tape. For many RVers, this delay can disrupt carefully planned trips or leave them stuck with a broken unit. Fleetwood RV is one of the most recognized names in the RV market. They have a long history and a diverse lineup of products. Some longtime Fleetwood customers can beat their chest and swear by the brand, but many others have had frustrating experiences that make them skeptical about the reliability of the products from this brand. Fleetwood RVs are known for having a hit-or-miss reputation when it comes to build quality. Some units can be said to be in good condition, while some others are plagued with issues that make it feel like they're hastily assembled. Slide-outs are a major selling point for Fleetwood RVs. This offers more space and comfort. However, many owners report recurring issues with slide-out mechanisms. These issues include malfunctions, uneven operation, and water leaks. These problems usually require frequent repairs and can be a significant inconvenience, especially when you're traveling. Electrical issues are also another common complaint you'll hear from users about the Fleetwood models. These problems range from faulty wiring and short circuits to non-functioning outlets and appliances. These issues not only disrupt the comfort of your travels, but can also pose safety risks if not addressed promptly. That's all for now. That perfect road trip you've been dreaming of starts with a well-informed decision. Take time to research, inspect, and ask questions before buying any vehicle. By avoiding these problematic RV brands, you're setting yourself up for adventures that are as stress-free as they are exciting. If you've had a bad experience with any of these RV brands, share your story with us in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.